Hello, hello. Okay, so today I am going to be streaming myself not playing, why did I say playing? I am making this game, which I don't know how to make, so you're gonna maybe have some fun watching it. Oh, where is this? There we go. Let me scoot this over. This is the tutorial I'm following, the Brackies tutorial. Let me crop this real quick, so that's just the video. And I'll keep that in. Okay, there we go. Let me shrink this here. Okay, there we go. Oh, wait. I think I messed up. 1 second. Bop, 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 bop. Let me move this out of that, and then I can... Huh. Wait. Scoot this here. Crop. Crop. Where is that? I think that's about the video. And then... Crop. There we go. We got the... There. Oh, I scooted my avatar. Let me shrink this. And put it up here. There we go. That's a tutorial I'm following, and then we can turn on this thing, which is my screen, what I can see. Then we're gonna have this open, and if you... Oh, the screen goes blank. Huh. Okay, what I can do is instead do pop, like that. Put one of these, put one of these, put one of these. Oh no, that's tiny. Huh. I should have prepared more. Okay, wait. Huh? Where in the world's the bar thing that, like... Let me... Wait, let me scoot this over here. Make this one bigger so I can see the video. Put that like there. Maybe scoot that up a little. Wait. Huh. I'm very good at this stuff, you know? Oh, that's so bad quality. Okay, wait. Huh. Alright, let me try fixing this. I don't know what I'm doing. Full screen this again. That appears on screen, right? This is the video. Do I need the video? Do you guys want the video up? No one's here anyways. Like, who am I talking to? Okay, I can close out the video then. So I'll close out this. Okay. Yeah, okay, wait, let me see how this works. So I can have this up. Okay. I want to have a way where I can see all three, like the video, this screen and chat at the same time. But I don't want to alter like the stuff I have. Okay. Hmm. Why is that a feature? Okay, whatever. Let's see. Okay, so I want to see the video, but you guys don't have to see the video, right? So let me just... That closes that. Okay. Good to know, good to know. Then OBS, then grab this, and then... There we go. Okay, there we go. Now I have that. And then plop this over here and here.
We'll go in and modify.
Okay, there we go. Huh. Okay, there we go. Is that working? That looks like it works. Okay, there we go. There, that works. And now I can start working on this over here. Okay. So, let's see.
To play different animations and
Why is it on
rebind
player? I
inputs.
was on map. Okay, platforms, pickups. That's where I was. Pickups, here.
Next up, pickups. Now let's add a coin that we can pick up. Again, we start by creating a new scene.
Okay, new scene.
Let's create a
Area 2D node. Let me delete this. Other area 2D. Create.
new node, and let's this time search for area 2D.
Boom, I got that right.
This is a
I'm
type
smart.
of node that we use whenever we
Genius.
don't want to collide with other objects. So we simply use this to detect. Select the animated sprite. On the animation, let's add some new sprite frames. Select it.
Okay, so I don't have an animated sprite. So I'm just gonna add a sprite 2D. Or I could add it. Okay, for now I'll just use sprite 2D and then I'll just add animated sprite later. And for the area 2D, why is it showing this? I have no idea what's going on. Oh, wait, I forgot about YouTube chat. I should probably open that too. Okay. Let's go to the lives. Here. And then just pop out the chat. Put this here, right next to this chat. I don't know why these pop-out things aren't, like, letting me edit them, but that's fine.
Did, and let's load in from a sprite sheet here. I'm going to use the coin.png, zoom in on this, and this
And
only has
I
one pixel
am
on the
just gonna
vertical, and
use...
horizontally it has 12. And now we can click from left to right or simply click and drag and add the frames. Let's hit F and zoom in, set the FPS
I'm
to
just gonna
10
use
and
this
hit play.
guy.
And that's our coin animation. Let's make sure that this autoplays. And just like a normal physics body, an area 2D also needs a collision shape. So let's add a collision shape 2D, and then for the shape, let's just choose a circle shape.
Huh? What? Collision shape. Oh, right here. Huh. Oh, down there. Okay, I don't do anything up here. I just have to add it down here. Okay. Collision shape 2D, and then we can just make this a... For now, let's make it a rectangle, but I'll probably make it a capsule later. So that, you know, like when it's in-game, you can... Right? Okay, there we go. Like that. That. Pop. And pop this out a little bit this way. Here, there we go. And I'm gonna make it a little high. There. Let me grab this and I can shrink everything. Oh no, why is that doing that? Wait. Huh. Wait, what's the button where I can just select the parent node only? You smart snap. No, that's not what I want. Okay, that's fine, whatever. Wait, can I... What if I do this? Okay, that's okay, that does it like that. Oh. That's there. That seems good. That seems about right. And let's save that as soap. Pick up. Soap pick up. And that is in there. Okay, there we go. Now that I have done that.
Decrease the radius a bit, and that's actually all we need. So let's select our area and rename it to coin and save the scene. And now we can simply drag it into our game.
Okay. So oh yeah, by the way, this is what I've done so far. Let me show you what I've done. Let's see if this appears on screen. Okay, so that's a different tab. Okay, what if I just share... Oh no, not that. Oh, here. There we go. So this is what I've made so far. I just realized the character is giant compared to this. Let me grab this guy. Let's go here. Zoom in. Okay. Oh, huh? Oh, okay, good. Okay, I thought I deleted it for a second. Okay. So my thoughts are character should be slightly smaller than one of the tiles. So I'm gonna make, let's see, to there, and then height shrink that way. Let's make it slightly smaller this way, and shift it. And now I think that's a good height, right? It looks small. Oh wait, I should make the camera also smaller. So if I go here, I can change. This is the camera, and then I can go here. So zoom, I'll make it 3. No, I'll start with 2.5 camera zoom, and then save that. Go here, play. Now, doesn't look like the camera zoomed. Three. Play. Is it just me or the camera not zoom? Maybe if I... No, it looks the same. Oh, now we're a bit too fast. Let me I have to lower the speed. Dang. Okay, let's go to scripts. I think what's a good speed? I think let's see. Oh, let me test out 150. So that went from 300 to 150, so this should be negative 200. Let's click save. And then let's try this out again. Now here's the thing. Oh well, okay. Oh, that feels so clunky. Okay, so 150 was not the right amount. I should increase it. Let's see. And the jump was too low, so not half. Let's try maybe 250. Not 25,000 or 2,500. Let's try 300 here. Is it just me or is it like slightly like lagging when I move around? Whatcha? Oh, whoa, I jumped off. I have to make a death zone. I think that happens later on in this game.
So
Or
under scenes,
tutorial.
we'll take the coin and place it around the level. You can
Oh, right, I forgot. That's what I was doing. I should probably get back to that. Wait, but still, it feels so clunky. Feels so clunky. I don't know why. It felt like good when I was doing it on the other one, right? Like, look at this. Like, why is he glitching out like that? Let's see. Let me try that again. Still? Yeah, I feel like it's glitching. Let me go back and set it back 300 and 400. Oh, hello, hello. Yeah, you see the lag, right? But it's like a tiny one frame setback, which is like is I don't know why it's happening. Maybe it's due to the time thing here. Get gravity times delta. So that increases the wait, what was the explanation that he said in the video? It increases the gravity depending on how far you're going down, I think. Hmm. Okay. Uh, wait, what if I do this? Will that break the game or will I just go flying when I jump? Oh no. Okay, so I did go flying when I should get rid of that. Don't want to multiply that. Okay. Now let's see how to fix this. Oh wait, let me first do what it says in the tutorial. It says pull this and oh, that's giant. Let me shrink this. Oh, whoa. Let me shrink this. Why is it going giant? No. Stop. Okay. No, not add node. Let me just do it this way. Oh. And the pickup should be smaller than the player. And that's a good pickup size, you know? Only thing I don't get is like, okay, so the camera, it's not changing. It's that big, right? I go to player character. Wait, is there another camera here? Did I accidentally add two cameras? No. Camera. Let's reset the camera. You know, it's one, it's giant like that. Okay. Now I want to make it, let's say four, you know, tiny. Camera here is still big. Huh. Wait, what if that's this? I don't know why. Huh. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna try doing. I'm gonna delete the camera here. Save, okay. Then here, from this part, add child node, camera 2D. I started today, an hour ago. Before I started streaming, I just set up the framework and that's it. I have no idea how any of this works. That's why you can see this camera is malfunctioning. Okay, so 3. Okay, I don't want 3, I want 4. Let's set that to 4. 4 is okay, wait. 4.5 5. I think 5 is a good number. Okay, there we go. Okay, there, finally. And then, okay, wait. And I fell. See, okay, so for 5, the speed is too fast. It looks too fast. So let's try 4.5 and then lowering the speed. And then let's go here, script. And then let's lower the speed. So let's say 200 here, 300 here. Save that, click play. I don't know if it's just me here, but like there's still that little lag. Like when you jump, it like slingshots you back a little. Like, see, I would have made that jump, but like you saw that little bit of lag that. Huh. What's this down here? Oh, that's the debugging thing. Okay, let's go back to the video.
Always use Control D to duplicate. And now if we play, we can see that the coin is here, but nothing happens if we enter the area. So it's time to make our first script. So in our coin scene, we select the coin node and hit add script. This time for the template, let's just choose the default template. And for the path, let's make sure that this goes under the scripts folder. I'll create, and this.
Okay, so I want to add a script. Wait, what did he say?
Add script. This time for the
Object colon empty. This one. And this one should go into the. Should go into scripts. Open. Create. There we go. Oh yeah, maybe it is. I don't think it is frame rate though, because I have everything set up on how the. Oh wait, let me check. How do I check frame rate? Let me look at this. What's this? Huh. Animation? No, that's animation. Project, version control, no. Tools? C sharp. No, I don't want a C sharp. Yeah, but it might be a frame rate issue. You might be right, even if you say you don't know anything. I don't know anything either, so. Okay, these are exports. Okay, I'll just figure it out later. So it said add a script, save scripts. Here, soap pickup.
template, let's just choose the default template. And for the path,
Oh, no default. Oh, he did a different one. Okay. Let me delete this. And let's go to this guy. And it was no default. Okay, I did the wrong thing. And let's delete this guy. What do I delete? No, don't close all. Oops. Shoot. Wait, that's fine. Okay. I didn't mess up. There, I got everything. How do I understand what he's saying? Wait, isn't it English? It's in English.
Let's make sure that this goes under the scripts folder. I'll create.
Oh, do you mean the speed? It's a 1 hour video and I want to finish it by the time I'm done streaming. So I'm watching it in times 2 speed. And plus I watch normally in times 2 speed. Anyways. I watch everything pretty fast.
And this is what it looks like
I can slow it down. Let me make it.
when we create a default script in Godot. We can see that we've created the script on an Area 2D node and that it's automatically made two functions for us that we often use, ready
Okay.
and process.
Function ready.
Currently, both of them only have the pass keyword, which means do nothing. So this script, if we run it, will do absolutely nothing. Now, the ready function is called right when our node enters the scene tree, which is just at the start of the game. So we can put code here that we want to happen immediately. Let's try it out by printing a...
So in Unity, they had two things. There was update, and then there was something other than update. I forgot the word. I forgot what it was. But update would like constantly update, and then the other one was just right when you launch it. So
quick message to see if it's working. So I'm going to write print, then in parentheses and quotes, I'm going to put I'm a coin. And if we play now...
Okay, so print... Oh, wait, why am I down here? Okay, I should be up here. Print. And then parentheses. Is there a space? There's no space. Print, parentheses. Soap tastes good. Control S. You're just used to normal. Yeah, most people are. Like, sometimes this one's like I like when I go to school on the like while I'm walking to school, I listen to like D&D campaigns. Currently, I'm watching Once Upon a Witchlight from Legends of Evantris, and I just watch it on times 2 speed. One, to finish it faster because each is roughly I think it's like an hour and a half or something. I have to check, or maybe yeah, I think it's an hour and a half each session. So I'm just watching that, and I get through like about one session a day there and back, so like say around 30 minutes of video watched.
The print doesn't do anything in our game, but it does show our message.
Oh wait, that's cool. Wait, so if I click play here, and do I have to like touch it? Oh yeah, did I mention this is a one-way platform? Hmm. Oh wait. Okay. Okay, it's not doing anything if I touch it. But I see the message. Why did it send? Oh, because he has multiple coins. That's why. Okay. Yeah, it's a one-way thing. Like if you okay, so let me show you. If I jump down here, right, and I want to go back up. Look, let me show you on the way back. Jump, and you can land on it. It's a one-way platform. And then I have another platform which is just a basic moving platform over here. Almost missed that jump. Here, just a basic moving platform. I think actually I might have. Oh, I fell. Okay.
I'm a coin in the output window. This is also referred to as the console and is where we see messages such as prints and errors. However, you might also notice that the message displays multiple times. That's because we currently have multiple coins around our game, and the script runs for each and every one. So since we have 5 coins, it displays I'm a coin 5 times. But we don't want anything to happen when we start the game, so I'm actually just going to remove these two functions. Instead, we...
Seriously? Why didn't you just say use the basic one, you know? Like, I mean, he probably knows more than me, like a lot more, but still. You could have just said, use, what was it, the other one that I accidentally opened, oh, maybe he was just explaining what each of them does, that's probably why.
We only want to do something once our player enters the coin area, and for this we use a signal. Signals allow us to trigger code based on events that happen in our game. Godot has many built-in signals we can use. If we select our Area 2D node and go to the Node tab, we can see all the signals on this node. We want to use the body and
Area 2D node filter signal. We want to use
signal, which is
body entered. Entered? Is that what he said? Body entered signal.
is triggered whenever a physics body enters the area. Since our player has a character body 2D node, this is going to trigger the signal. So to connect it, we simply double click it and hit connect. As you can see, this creates a new function in our script called onBodyEntered with a green arrow that shows that this is triggered by a signal. So let's here try writing a print function that says something like +1 coin. Now when we play and enter the coin area, it's going to print +1 coin. However, this message will actually display no matter which body enters the area. If we take one of these coins here and put it in the way of a moving platform, for example, this will also trigger.
Keep it on brand. Okay, let's see. I missed. There we go. I'm gaining so much soap. Wait, did I just create a Wait. Wait, I saw myself boost. Like, yeah, like sometimes I jump higher. Huh.
The message. So now, right when we play, we can see that it starts displaying the message, and will do so every time the platform passes through the area. To change this, we can either use code to check what body enters the area, or we can simply put our player on a separate physics layer. Let's try that out. So under our player, we'll go to the inspector, go to
inspector. Oh, wait, here. Inspector.
Collision, and
boost or lag. I don't think it's lag, because it's only happening when I jump. Because I think, so the platform has its own animation. It's going up and down, and it's not related to the code. The code's not saying, "Oh, set velocity this, once reach position this, move up," or whatever. It's just an animation. It's moving from one keyframe to the next keyframe. It's like editing a video, right? So I think when the animation's happening, and I hit it right when it's about to go up, it gives me a little boost. Or it might just be lag, like you say. So let's go to player. And then I want to go into the 2D part. I have to import I should make a player character once I finish this, because the guy in the video is using, Brackies is using his packet, but I want to use my own. Like, if you look at the map, I just made these stuff, like these tiles. Not the best, but like, I think the grass ones are okay. These stone ones aren't good. You can't really see because of the physics layer thing on top of them. But okay, let me go back to this.
Here we can change the physics.
Okay, so that's, where's that? Character body 2D. Huh? Oh, collision. No, that's not collision. It's not moving platform either. Oh no, it is collision. What? Let me full screen this 1 second. Yeah, it's in collision. Huh. Player? Maybe it's in collision shape? No, it's not. It's in this thing. Collision. Huh, I don't have the layer thing. Oh, it's in this collision maybe. Yeah, there it is. It's not. Huh. Collision object 2D. He's doing in the player body 2D. I don't have it like that. That's weird. But it should be the same.
Layer from layer 1 to 2. Let's
Layer 1 to layer 2.
hit Control S to save, and then in our coin, we can also go under collision. We can actually.
Okay, so for this one, it's also on collision object 2D, so I don't know what's going on.
Actually have the coin itself stay on layer 1. We don't need a separate layer for that yet, but we want to make sure that it only detects colliders in layer 2. For this, we use the mask. The mask defines what layers a node collides with. So let's set that to layer 2, because that's the layer that our player is on. That should actually work.
Okay.
Now our coin will only detect collisions from our player. And instead of just displaying a message, let's also remove the coin from our scene when we pick it up. So in our script, after printing one coin, let's add a new line. We'll call the queue_free function, which is simply going to remove the entire coin scene from our game. And indeed it does. And our knight can now start gathering some coin. Now, depending on what type of loot we pick up, we want different things to happen. In this case, I want to display a score that increases
why does
when
that
we pick up
work?
a coin. To happen. In this case, I want to display a score
Sprites
that increases
possibly?
when we
Yeah,
pick up the
wait,
coin.
for which one? Which one are you talking about? Like how this thing is in the, it's not in the right thing for me compared to the video. Also, I know you guys can't see the video because I tried setting that up at the beginning of the stream, but then I couldn't. So Google Meet, when it was, so the way I'm showing you all of this, the Godot tab, is I'm on a Google Meet call with myself from my computers on one account, my laptop's on another, and I'm sharing screen. And then I'm just using OBS. I cropped that out, and that's what you're seeing. Okay, it's not on my actual computer. My computer's streaming, my laptop's running the code. Oh, instead of the bot, that's just a Godot icon. Yeah, I'm gonna make a sprite. Maybe once I finish this video, once I finish like all the space stuff, I'll make a sprite. And then what I'm gonna do, so I'll make sprites probably after this video. So, anyways, the the Google Meet wouldn't show up when the video was on screen because of the split screen and then that. So I set it up in a way you can't see the video, but you can see the Google Meet, but you can't. So that's the reason it's not really the best. But yeah, after this video tutorial ends, I'm gonna set up the sprites.
But we'll look at that when we get to text. First, I think something a bit more pressing is dying and restarting our game. Dying 1.0. So we happily move along in our world until suddenly.
Wait, let me check if this works first. I forgot to check if that works. Okay, there, it does. Wow, that's nice. Still, that lag is really bugging me. Like, I don't like it. And that corner also, this corner right here, I don't like that either. Let's go to tile map layer. Which one? This one should be here. This and this. Why can't I? What? Huh? Oh, there. Okay. This? There we go. Fixed. And then I can just add some dirt down here, you know? Add some little bit of dirt. So it's not just like a basic. Like that, you know? I should add like a wall here actually too. So let's use... Huh. Okay, wait. What's this? Oh, that makes it upside down. That's cool. What's the rescattering? Wait, okay, want it right side up? Is there a way to... Oh, yeah, that's cool. I'm just discovering random stuff about this. Wow. Okay. I'll just make this like a wall of dirt. You know, oh, no, 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 I don't want that. There we go. And then now I can do this like that. You know? And that should be good. Let's save that and then go like that. Okay, back to the soap. Oh, wait.
Suddenly, we miss a jump and fall into the abyss, and then nothing happens. Let's change that. The first thing we want to do is limit our camera so that it doesn't follow our player when we fall down. Luckily, this is really easy to do. We simply select our camera under the player, go under limit, and here we can set a position limit for the left, top, right, and bottom part of our camera. In our case, we need to set a limit for the bottom position. To do this, we can use the ruler tool here at the top, or simply
Care body ruler tool. Okay.
press R and measure from this baseline here to where we would like the limit of our camera to be. I think a good value would be somewhere around, say, 120. So I'll simply go back to select mode and put in 120 pixels on the bottom. I'm also going to enable smoothing, and now when we play, we can see that our camera will follow the player, but whenever we fall off, it's simply going to stay put. Next, we need to detect that our player has entered a dangerous area and restart the game. In other words, we need to create a
Wait.
has entered
Limit negative. Oh wait, no, 200. I don't know what that did. Wait, is that the blue line or maybe? Let me. 50. Oh, the camera's okay. Wait. 200. There. Now let me click Control S. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Be right backs. I don't know. How do people respond to be right back? Like just okay? I don't really know. Cause like you say be right back, like okay, we're gone. So do I respond to the? I think I should respond to the message. Okay, there we go. Camera still moves though. Like, I'm just moving. I'm falling forever, but the camera can't follow me, so that it's just moving forever. Wait, let me check if the underlayer that I created works still. Like if I go down here. Wait, what in the world? Huh? Okay, wait, what? Okay, that's just an impossible jump. Let me go to tile map layer, go down here. This is an impossible jump, so I'm gonna dig out a hole. That's not, I don't want the ruler, I want to select here. Okay, now this here is a problem. I can just make it this, and then how about this? I'll take this platform here. Is that this platform? Yeah, that is. That's slightly off center. That's annoying me. Animation. Set that to 1.5. Okay. So let's set the highest point. Wait, let's set, okay, so first we got it here. And I just, okay, that's about there, okay. Now shift up. Move this up. Now, okay, so that should be about, I would say here. So let's save that keyframe and make one here. And now this is shift down. Huh? That's no, I don't want sticky keys. That's funny. Okay. Now let's move this down and save. Control S, play. Okay, collected that coin. Oh wait, why is it stopping down there? Huh. What if I make it 2 seconds, slightly move this here, move this also inward a bit. So there's like a stop, like there's a little pause in between. Maybe that'll fix the issue. Let's see. No, why is it stop? Oh, is it maybe the camera? Could it be the camera? No, the camera's fine. Why is this thing not working? Is it this platform? Wait, are these connected? No, they're not. Huh. What if I turn on the collision thing? Maybe that, I don't know. Wait, let me look at this. Actually, I don't need one-way collision for this thing, because it's like a moving platform. I don't need one-way collision. So what I can do is, I'll go into collision shape 2D and then turn off one-way collision. Pull S, save that, go back here. Click. Okay, wait, let's check the base animation itself. See if that's the problem. If I hit play. So we want this to autoplay. And we want it to basic loop, like that. Okay, wait. Let's go here. And move it slightly up. Not a big change, but like enough change where like it just doesn't look weird. And then here, move this slightly down. And then keyframe that. It like slightly slows down. Okay, this last slowdown down here is not good. It looks like not choppy, but like it looks odd. So let me stop this, go here, this keyframe right here. Delete. Delete. There. Now I want this keyframe at 0.5. Yep. And I want one at here. So grab this guy. And then shift, move down. I would say about let's see what the difference here. Okay. So here position is 119. And here it is, oh, so that's 30. Okay, so this is 10 and this is 35. There's a 25 pixel difference. So if I go here, oh, I should make the last one first, right? And then I can just move that up by 25 and so that it looks like a good match. So let's go shift, grab this shift. Why can't I? There we go. And let's say there, okay? No, I don't. No, I don't want on. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, give me a second. I want to turn off sticky keys, but it's annoying. Okay, there we go. Turn off sticky keys. Okay. Okay. There, fix that. Where's this? What? Why is the YouTube chat down there? Okay, there we go.
A dangerous area and restart the game. In other words, we need to create a kill zone.
Okay, so I'm gonna move the camera. The limit for the camera, I'm gonna move that more. I'm not more lower, just lower in general. Let's say 250. I think that's good. Okay.
Zone. I'll show you a really cool way to do this that allows us to reuse the same kill zone for more than just falling off the map, such as for spike traps, enemies, all kinds of elements of danger. And when we want to create a reusable element, we start by making a scene. Then to detect
Okay.
if we enter an area, we again use the Area 2D node.
Area 2D node.
And let's make sure to set the collision mask here to 2. We only want to
Oh, so this is kill zone.
check for the player, which is on layer 2. And we won't add a collision shape here. That's because we want to be able to reuse this for all kinds of elements that might have different shapes. Instead, let's simply go ahead and rename this now to kill zone and save it as a new scene. Then in our game scene, we can add it by dragging it in or simply pressing the link button here and selecting the kill zone. And then
Wait, what? What do you do?
and save it as a new scene. Then in our game scene, we can add it by dragging it in or simply pressing the link button here and selecting the kill zone. And
Okay. Link. Then we add the kill zone.
then in here, we'll add the collision shape. So I'm going to hit Control A, collision
Collision shape 2D.
shape. And for the shape, we'll use the same world boundary shape that we used
And we're gonna use, so the world boundary.
earlier for the ground. Now let's make sure to select the kill zone node itself, go into move, and use the move tool to position it down here at the bottom. I'm going to place it pretty far down so we're sure we don't hit this by accident. Or I mean,
Why can't I move? Okay, there we go. There. I move this entirety. Okay, there we go.
we're going to be hitting it by accident, so let's make sure we don't hit it on purpose. Or I mean, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to place it down here a good
Let's say there is a good one. Let's see. Wait, how low? Yeah, no, that seems good. There.
bit away from our level. And now we can add a script to make something happen when we enter the area. So in our kill zone, let's select it, add a new script. For the template here, I'm just going to select empty and
So Control S. Let's go to kill zone. Then let's add a script. And wait. So this is okay. This is what I was saying earlier. No.
in the path, let's put it under the scripts folder. And now we have this empty script to play with. I'm going to connect a signal. So go node, make sure we have the kill zone node selected. And again, we'll use the body entered signal. So let's double click it.
And body entered.
Hit connect, and it's going to create a new function on body entered, in which case we can go ahead and print that you died. And now if we play and jump down, it's going to print that we died. Now, instead of immediately restarting the game, let's add a small delay. We do this using another node called the timer node. So let's add a new node, search for timer, and under the inspector here, we can choose some different things about it. Let's set the wait time to something like 0.6 seconds. Let's also make it a one shot to make sure that it doesn't loop. We can then start this timer.
Wait, I didn't hear all that. Wait, let me go back.
Add a new node, search for timer,
Okay,
and
timer.
under the inspector here, we can choose some different things about it. Let's set the wait time to something like 0.6 seconds. Let's also make it a one shot to make sure that it doesn't loop. We can then start this timer in our code. To do that, however, we first need a reference to it.
Okay, so one shot. And the wait time was 0.6. Okay. I think yeah, okay, let's say it's 0.5. Okay.
Luckily, that's as simple as going to the top of our code, clicking and dragging the timer node, and holding down Control while releasing. This creates a
Oh. There we go.
variable called timer that automatically finds the node using this path. Now, if you haven't worked with paths before, they are actually quite simple. They specify a way to get from one node to another in the tree. So if we look at this example tree, to get from the game node to the camera, the path looks like this. It goes through the player and ends with the camera. And in our case, where we just want to get from the kill zone to the timer right underneath, we don't have to go through any of the nodes, so the path is simply timer. Again, right now we're brushing over concepts such as variables and functions pretty briefly, but you can learn more about programming and what all this really means in our upcoming video on GDScript. For now, just know that using this click and drag method, we can now access our timer node using the name timer. So to start our timer, we make a new line and write timer.start. Of course, we now need to trigger some code when our timer runs out. And again, we can use a signal for this. So with our timer node selected, let's go into node, and here's the timeout signal. So let's double click that and hit connect. And this creates a new function called onTimerTimeout that runs when the timer ends. And then in here, we can simply restart our game. To do this, we first access the scene tree, so get tree, and tell it to reload, so reload current scene. So our player enters the kill zone and triggers the onBodyEntered function. This prints a message that we died and starts the timer. When the timer runs out, it triggers the onTimerTimeout function, which then reloads our scene and restarts the game. And indeed, when we play and jump off the map, we fall down and the scene restarts. Great.
Okay, there we go.
It's an infinite loop. Help me. I'm stuck. World building 2.0. Let's expand on our game world a bit now that we have more elements.
Okay, now that that works, let me go here and see if that works. Oh. Huh? Did I forget to put the animation in? I think I forgot to put the animation in. Okay, let me go here. Yeah, okay, let's see this. Okay, let's grab this guy, shift. And this is the final position over here. That's this one. And let's, oh. Okay, here. Here. So it's -50. That means over here, I want it at -125, or just 125. And let's add a keyframe. Why is it not adding? There we go. Now if I play it, I think that's good. Okay, there we go. And let's hit save. Don't want to like mess that up. Okay, we can jump up here. We can jump up here, but if we go here, restarts. There we go. Why do I fall so quickly? Wait, what? Yeah, after one point, I just like fall super quickly. Okay.
To work with. First of all, I want to make sure that we stay organized. So let's take some of these nodes and categorize.
Oh, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Let me open up everything again. There we go. Back into this. Okay, let's see.
them. The easiest way to do this is by simply adding a new node. For this one, I'm just going to select the base node here, hit create, and now we can rename
Wait,
the node more. It's an infinite loop. Help. Let's expand on our game world a bit now that we have more elements to work with. First of all, I want to make sure that we stay organized, so let's take some of these nodes and categorize them. The easiest way to do this is by simply adding a new node. For this one, I'm just going to select the base node here, hit create.
Wait, so
And now we can rename
okay.
this. I'll make one for, say, coins, and simply take all of the coins and drag them.
Which one was that? Okay, wait. Here, I should rename this. And then that's this. Take that's the script. That script should go here. This goes here. It's giant. I don't know why. There we go. Now let's just move it up there. That seems good. And then Control S. There we go. And then we want to put this one in here.
Them under that node. We can do the same thing for platforms.
Then yeah, okay, so let's add oh wait, no, why am I searching on platform? Node. Not here. Above this. No, not in here. Platforms. And there we go. Platforms is okay. Let's close this. Oh, wait, I don't want to go inside there. I want to just keep this up here. Okay.
And any other.
What's this? Oh, okay, wait, that's this, isn't it? Okay, there. Then this will be kill zone world border. Wait, what if I do this? Okay, so I add a collision. Collision shape 2D. Okay. Then I add another one of the world boundaries here, right? This one. I rotate it to here. There we go, that way. And then I just set it like this. And then if I go into tile map layer, eraser, you know. Okay. Then I wanted eraser. Oh wait, I'm on move, that's why. Okay, there we go. Now if I erase this and hit play, there we go. There, now you can't just like jump that way, right? You have to go the correct way, and then if you fall down, you die. There. Boom.
The elements that are cluttering up your scene. Now I'm going to paint in a bit more level and change the things that I don't like.
I'll save the level painting stuff for later.
And I'll put in some more gameplay elements. I'll also paint in some background tiles. But to do this, we need to add another layer to our tile map. So not under our tile set, but under the tile map itself, we have this layers. And this is the one we've been painting in. Let's just call this mid for midground and add another one that we can call background. Let's move this to the top to make sure that it's drawn first. And now when painting, we need to select the right layer to paint on.
Oh,
so
wait.
let's select the
Let me
background,
go back.
and then we can
I
start
need
painting in some
this
background
part.
tiles. And add another one under our tile set, but under the tile map itself, we have this layers. And this is the one we've been painting in. Let's just call this mid for midground.
Okay, so I go into, I'm using, okay, so tile map layer, right? Then under this itself, he said, tile map. There's a layers thing. Huh. Is it because I'm using a tile map and not a tile map layer? Wait. Okay, so he's using a tile map and I'm using a tile map layer. Is that the difference? Because I don't have the layers thing. I have physics layers, which adds like the collision stuff, but not like the base layer itself. Okay. Let me see how I can fix this. So if I take this and I do... No, I don't want to do that. I could just paint in everything again. Like if I just close this. Or like, okay, so I go here and then I click tile map and then I create this one, right? And then I use those sprites. Not necessarily a sprite, but it's a tile set, but it works. Tile set, new tile set here. Drag drop. Yeah, and then let's go into texture. Now we want this to be nearest. And then we also want to go up into this part right here. And add a physics layer. And was it no collision map? This one was just layer 1. Okay. And then we want to go and select which ones. Oh wait, no, that's here. Paint. Then we want to select which ones we want the physics layer on, which is in this case all of them. So I'll just select them all like that, and then now I can go tile map, and I'll just paint these in. Let's go here and select, and then I can just paint these guys in. Oh, that's odd. Why is that like that? Oh, did I move it up on accident? Let me grab this. No, that seems fine. Tile map. Okay. It's slightly off, but I think it's fine. Okay, so let's paint these guys in. Actually, let's move. I'm gonna move this slightly down and to the right so that it matches. Now let's paint them in. It's slightly off. I don't know why. It's annoying. Can I? Wow. Okay. Whoa. That's okay. That's messed up. But here. So we want it here. That length. Oh dang! Why is it my finger? Okay, there we go. Steady. That. This part we want up here. Huh, this is difficult. Okay. Okay. Let's see this. It's one, but it's like off. It still looks off. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna paint this in and like it should be fine after that. And let's use one of these up here. Oh no, that's... Oh no, okay, okay. It should be fine. And then let's grab... It just looks slightly off in all the parts. Like like when I'm painting over it. It doesn't look right. I painted this before so that I wouldn't have to do this now, but I have to do it now. Okay, that's okay. I'll make that the slower layer. Okay, everything like up there, it doesn't look that off, right? But now it does, because these have to be moved. I'll set them the lower part. Can you even make that jump? You should be able to. And now I have to move this one here. Well, I don't know if you can... Okay, wait. Okay, so let's close this. The rest are just filler. Okay, let's save and play. Wait, am I... Ah, dang it. Okay. Hope this doesn't mess everything up, but let's try this. And then let's play. Okay, now I'm walking on the correct things, but odd, it increased the lag so much. Ah, that's not good at all. Let me look how to... Oh, okay. Okay, so let's go project. It's saying, okay, so it says access your project settings. Then it says navigate to the engine. Huh. Project settings. Editor menu. There's no engine. What is it talking about? Advanced settings? Let me just open this.
So that's all you need to do to get the current FPS is engine. You can limit it by frames per second. We'll attach a script to main. I missed.
Okay.
When you create a new Godot project, do you know how many frames per second your project is running? It's not apparently obvious when you set it up, so you might not even realize that your project by default runs with uncapped frames per second, which may be using up a lot of your players' resources. Maybe you want that, maybe you don't. In this video, we're going to look at the code for how to change the max frames per second, how to get the frames per second that your game's currently running at, and give you some options so that you'll learn more. What we've got is a simple scene 2D that says FPS exploring with a label, and a label that just says current FPS question mark question mark. So let's get our current frames per second. We'll attach a script.
Okay, so let me close out of this. New scene. Then we want a main node. That's what it says. Or let's just see. Let's say FPS main. Right, and then underneath this, we want to add a child node label. Label. What do you use? Yeah, he used a label. Okay, label. And we have current FPS. Okay.
Script to main.
Now let's add a script.
I messed that up. There we go. And
Okay.
we'll just go ahead and in every run of the process function.
You deleted this, so I guess I don't need that.
We'll go ahead and we'll set our current FPS.text to a string that's current FPS space, and then we'll plus, and we'll pass a string in of the engine.
Oh, it should be the exact. So let's see. Okay, so current, that's an X. Current FPS. Oh, current FPS. Dot text equals. Oh wait, cool. Oh wait, so this one doesn't matter. So I can set this as lower. I can make these lowercase. So I can set these lowercase, right? I set was oh I have caps lock on or something. F. Current FPS equals current FPS. Wait, colon space plus str engine
Dot
get
frames per second.
get underscore frames per second.
That's a function you can call.
Oh, $sign. I forgot the $sign. That's why. There we go. Or I can do what I wait. Let me just control X just in case I need this, right? But there you go. Then control. Then paste this. And put quotes. Does that fix it? What's this? What if I do that? What are these 2 errors? Wait, where is this? Is this in... Okay, so line 6, so that's probably here. Underscore. Then here one's underscore. There, fixed. Boom, I'm getting better at this. Okay.
On the global engine, and that will return how many frames per second we're getting. So the game's running, and we're hovering at about 90. That's dependent on how fast your computer is and what your game.
Okay, so let's play. Let's see. I forgot to add that to the main. Let me do that. So where's FPS main? And let's just pop that down there. And let's just grab this, scoot it over. Okay, so I need to make a UI that's like fit to screen and then set that, right? But for now, this should be fine. Play. Let's see. Where's the current FPS? Okay. Okay, maybe I can delete this. Maybe that's what's screwing that up. Or maybe, what if I just play the scene? Run scene. So it's running at a solid 58 frames per second.
Game's doing and all of that sort of thing. Let me make that a little bit bigger, just because it is a little bit tiny. And we'll just go ahead and set it to header medium. So that's all you need to do to get the current FPS is engine.get frames per second. Maybe you have a setting that lets you turn on in your game, show how many frames per second your game's running at. That's pretty nice. And then you can limit it by, in your ready function, you can say engine.max.
Why did it scoot this one front? Huh? What? What do you mean? Okay, wait, let me just... FPS...
Max FPS
equals...
is equal to whatever value you want it to. So
I'm gonna say... My game is pretty low FPS. I'm gonna say 25, maybe?
we'll set it to 60. And now this would only happen in our main scene. I don't know if it would apply from scene to scene, but what I would generally do is, yeah, I would test that out, check, but I would generally create an autoload constant singleton called global, that on global ready, it sets your engine max FPS. But now you can see we're hovering at around 60 frames per second instead of about 90.
Let's see if that works. Wrong scene. Played this scene. 25. I still see that like kind of lag. I don't know if you guys can see it on the share screen, but there's like a little like on around the like this window every time. Let's go Control S and then let's go to total scene. And let's delete this one. Okay. And let's go here. And here, let's add a UI. How do I add a UI?
So we've limited it. And you can go and change that to 30 if you, for some reason, wanted it to be 30. And that's all well and good, right? We're getting it with get frames per second, we're setting it with max FPS. Now let's just add a little drop down. Let's give our player an option. So, and let's also, before we do that, let's add a label called max FPS, just so we can easily visualize what we've got. And then in our script,
I don't want to give the player an option. Because I can just set it like this and then
Just
like
say-
leave it, it's fine. 30 FPS is
max
fine.
FPS.text is equal to max FPS string.
But-
And it shows a drop down. Select unlimited.
Okay, let's
Some
see.
of our down area be 0 because that's unlimited. And so this
Okay.
one we're to max FPS. We let you create a FPS, and this makes an option.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Wait, let me go back.
Or be precise. Sometimes it might drop a frame or drop down. And it shows a drop down of options. In the inspector over here, you'll see selected as -1, and then there's a drop down you can expand for items. So we'll say unlimited. We'll give it an ID of 0. We'll say 60, and then we'll say 30. And these IDs matter here. We'll reference them in the code, and we'll set selected to be 0.
Okay, I don't need that right now,
drag
but
that.
I'll go back to this. Okay. Let's go here. Now, how do I set this to the main scene? Maybe I can hit the link. FPS main, open. And then Control S. Play. Oh wait, what about this? What if I just get this guy and place him down here? And then I should probably shrink it also. Let's shrink it. Don't know how much I'm shrinking it by, but hopefully it's fine. That's not fine. And that looks very off. Okay, so let's grab the move thing. Let's move it. I think left the screen. There. Play. Now that's giant. We don't want that. Let's go. And let's go. Save. Here, FPS main. Let's grab this one. Shrink it. Zero 0.5. Oh, they're both at 1. I want a 0.5. Save this. And when I go back here, oh, delete this one. FPS main, open here. I want to grab this one and drag it up here. Control S, and then let's play. Oh, welcome back. Welcome back. I'm just oh, that's tiny. I'm setting up this FPS thing. If you can see in this corner up here, I'm trying to limit the FPS so that like thing where it's messed up doesn't return, you know, where like maybe the frame rate was the problem. So I'm just seeing that. So let's try 0.8. Let's go Control S. Wait. Delete this. Now let's add the frame max here again, and then let's move that back up here. Save. Okay, that's good. I think that's good. Okay, let's. Okay, there we go. Yep. I think I fixed it. Running, jumping around. I don't see. Okay, so it's a bit off. I think I should increase the frame rate. I'm gonna say like 35. 35 sounds good, I think. Let's go here. Play. Does it update? 35, okay. Okay, wait. I think the glitch, like the that's funny, look at this. The frames fall with you when you die. Look at this. That's funny. The frames just fall as you fall. Like the frame rate, current FPS at the top left corner. Okay, so I've added in that. It's a bit. It feels a bit odd. As in, like, that little lag thing is there, but only slightly, so I don't know what to do about that.
And add another one that we can call background. Let's move this to the top to make sure that it's drawn first. And now when painting the tile map itself, we have this.
Oh yeah, while you were gone, I redid the map because I was doing it on a tile map layer instead of a tile map, which is
layers. And this is the one we've been painting in. Let's just call this mid for mid.
Okay, so this one's mid ground. Then this thing add.
Ground, and add another one that we can call background.
And this one's background. Okay. There we go.
Let's move this to the top to make sure that it's drawn first. And now when painting, we need to select the right layer to paint on. So let's select the background, and then we can start painting in some background tiles. A nice trick here is to use the rectangle tool to paint in a lot of tiles at once. And now our game looks a lot better. It has a background and a whole new part of the level that we can explore. And of course, this process is just about trying things out and making changes until you're satisfied.
And now I'm gonna add the most cursed background ever. So go here, tile map. Because I want the background, right? Yeah, so wait, find. Okay, so let me get these tiles. Oh wait. No, let's add in this guy. Tile set. Plop this in. Yes. And that's like a blue sky color, you know, right? So just like yoink these, you know, like that. And then let's grab this tool right here and then just, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Paint. I think I messed up. Okay, let me grab one of these. And paint. Now, this isn't going to be the final one, obviously, but I think it's good for now.
Satisfied. Enemy. A proper hero, of course, needs a good enemy. So let's make one. Let's create a new scene. And since this enemy doesn't need to collide with anything, we can just go ahead and use a Node 2D as the base. Let's also add an
Node 2D as the
animated
base.
sprite, so I'll search for
No, I don't have an animated sprite like I said before, so I'll use Sprite 2D for now, and then add in an animated sprite later.
animated sprite 2D. Let's go to animation, add some new sprite frames, select them, and let's load in from the sprite sheet here. In the pack, there's both a green and a purple version of the enemy. I'm just going to choose the green one, and this is a 4x3. And I've included 3 animations here, one for the enemy kind of waking up, an aggressive idle animation, as well as one where the enemy takes damage. So I'll use the idle animation here. Let's add these 4 frames. Let's hit F and zoom in. I'm also going to move this up, set the animation to autoplay and the FPS to 10. And now if we preview, we have an animated slime. And this is where things get really cool. Because we made our kill zone into a reusable scene, we can simply use it for our enemy as well. So at the top here, I'll add in a new scene. I'm going to select the kill zone. And now all we need to do is give this a collider. So Control A, search for collision shape. Let's add in a rectangle.
And let me just shrink that. Okay, let's... No, I'll just leave it like that and shrink it when I think that's good. And then let's just center that, you know? Now, what we want to do, what it said to do was blink the kill zone, then add a collision shape 2D, which is going to be a box. Or rectangle. Well, let's line that up here. Or let's make it slightly smaller, you know, make it easier for the player. So let me just increase that like that. Oh, nope, that's not right. There. That's not working. There we go.
Fit it to fit our enemy. By the way, I'm holding down Alt to scale uniformly. And with that, we can simply rename our top node here to slime.
And what I said germs, right? The germs / enemy. Control S. Save.
And save it as a scene. Now in our game, we can drag it in. I'm going to place it.
Now let's grab the enemies, plop those in. They're giant. So let me select everything. And let's oh, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Let's place one guy up here, you know. And let's place another one down here.
Over here. And if we play now and move to the enemy, we can see that just by throwing together a couple of nodes and reusing our kill zone, we've successfully added a new element of danger to our game. If we enter the enemy, we can see that indeed our game restarts. Of course, currently dying doesn't look very exciting. We'll fix that in the next chapter. But first, let's make our enemy move back and forth. We could, of course, do this using an animation player, just like we did for our platforms. However, I think it would be cooler to make a script that moves our enemy to the right until we get close to a wall, in which case it changes direction and starts moving left. This way we can simply drag and drop the enemy between any two walls in our game, and our script will do the rest. So let's start by making our enemy move to the right. So I'll go into the slime, add a new script, use the default template, and place it under the scripts folder, and hit create. Let's get rid of the ready function, and instead we're going to be using process. Just like movies, video games display motion by drawing frames and showing them in quick succession, while movies show frames at a fixed rate, most often 24 frames per second. Ready function, and instead we're going to be using process.
Oh,
just like movies, video games display motion by drawing frames and showing them in quick succession, while movies show frames at a fixed rate, most often 24 frames per second. Video games generally try to draw as many frames as possible to get a smooth result. How often this happens will depend on the system the game is running on and what is happening in the game, but unless the game is lagging, it should draw a new frame at least 60 times per second, and often much more. Before the computer can draw a new frame, however, it first has to update the state of the game. What has happened since the last frame? It does this for all the nodes in our game. Then it draws the new frame.
Okay.
This is referred to as the game loop, because it happens over and over again, and it is really the driving force of our game. Godot, of course, does this automatically, but we can add functionality to the game loop using the other function in the template, process. Unlike ready, which only runs once, process runs every frame. This makes it perfect for doing things over time, such as moving an enemy. We simply make sure to change the position of the enemy a tiny bit each frame. So in our script, we can simply remove the pass keyword and instead access the position of our slime, more specifically the x coordinate of our position, and add 1 pixel to this every frame. Then in our game, let's go ahead and place a slime close to our player so we can see this happening. Then in our game, let's go ahead and
plus equals 1. Where'd he go? Ah! He's flying off! Uh-oh.
Place a slime close to our player so that we can see this happening, and play. And as you can see, the enemy just shoots past us on the screen. Now, one problem with this that might not be obvious, other than it's moving way too quickly, is that we are increasing the X position every frame by a fixed amount. And because our frame rate can vary, this means that the enemy will sometimes move faster than others, which is not very good. To fix this, we use this little thing here called delta. Delta is the amount of time that has gone by since the last frame. If we're drawing many frames per second, delta gets really small. And if we lag out a bit,
let me check that.
if we're delta is not very good.
Oh, he just says frame process delta. I don't. He doesn't have the void.
Delta is the amount of time that has gone by since the last frame. If we're drawing many frames per second, delta gets really small.
Make control
and if we lag out a bit and I'm not drawing as many frames,
go.
delta becomes bigger. Because of this, we can use delta to compensate for variations in frame rate. If we have a high frame rate, we want to only move our enemy a little each frame. And if we have a low frame rate, we want to move it a lot. In other words, we can multiply our movement by delta to make it independent of the frame rate. Now, delta can be a bit hard to wrap your head around at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. A good rule of thumb is that whenever we have a speed value that we can adjust, such as our 1 here, we should probably multiply it with delta. So in our script, we simply go plus equals 1 multiplied with delta. Now what this essentially means is that we're going to be moving 1 pixel per second, which is not very fast. So let's instead change this to something like 60. And we can actually store this speed in a constant at the top of our script, just like in the movement script. So here I'll write const speed and set it equal to 60. Then we can simply use speed here instead of hard coding the value. This makes it easy to change constants right at the top of your script. And now if we play, we can see that our enemy is moving at a reasonable rate, and we know that this speed won't change from system to system. So let's get rid of this extra slime here, and instead make this one actually change direction whenever we face a wall. To do this, we need a way to control the direction we're currently moving. Reasonable rate.
Speed equals 60. Then here.
Know that this speed won't change from system to system. So let's get rid of this extra slime here, and instead make this one actually change direction whenever we face a wall. To do this, we need a way to control the direction we're currently moving in. So let's create a variable that does this. We'll create a var, call it direction, and set it equal to 1 by default.
Direction equals 1. Okay.
Then if we need to go in the opposite direction, we'll set it to -1 instead. And to actually apply this, all we need to do is multiply it into our speed. So we'll go direction times speed times delta. This is a really standard way of doing movement. We simply add onto our position in a direction, multiplied by speed and delta. So now all we need to do is check if the enemy gets close to a wall. And for this, we'll use a new type of node, the raycast node. Raycasts are invisible rays that we can shoot out to detect collisions. So inside of our slime here, let's add a new node of type raycast2d. And as you can see, it draws
Raycast 2D.
an arrow to represent this. Let's move the starting point here to the center of our enemy, and let's have it shoot out to around here. I'm gonna...
Oh, I have to be able to see this then. So let's grab this guy and let's move it this way. About here. Wait. I'll set it like at an angle, slightly down, so that I can see if there is a wall or like a... No, but then that will... Okay, so it's only going to work with walls. If there isn't a wall, it's just going to keep going, which won't be good.
rename this to raycast right. I'm then going to press Control D to duplicate. I'm going to have this.
So we wanted, so I said to, where's rename? Here, raycast right. Then it was duplicate to, and I'm gonna assume raycast left. Make this a capital R. There we go. Raycast left and right.
Shoot out in the opposite direction, and rename this to raycast left. Now in our script, we can reference these nodes just like we did with our timer. We simply select them both, click and drag, and hold down Control while releasing.
Control S, and then we go to script. And then we just have to go click and drag, and then Control, click and drag, and Control. There we go.
As you can see, this creates two variables, one raycast right and a raycast left. Then every frame before we move our slime, we will go ahead and check if we're currently colliding to the right or to the left. If raycast right dot is colliding, if this raycast is hitting something, well then colon, and then make sure to indent here with the tab. We will
Dot is colliding.
set our direction to be -1. If
Direction equals -1 if... Oh, so that means I have to have walls around my enemies at all times or else it won't work. If raycast left is underscore colliding, direction equals 1. Let's see if I was right.
If we're colliding on the right, we want to move to the left. And we'll add another one of these if statements. So if raycast, you guessed it, left dot is colliding, well then we'll set our direction back to 1. And that's it. Our enemy is now ping-ponging back and forth between the two walls. And this is happening completely automatically through script. Really cool. Now the only thing that is left is to flip the enemy sprite when it changes direction. Luckily, if we go inspect our animated sprite here, under offset, we have this flip age property, which will simply flip the sprite. So let's control this through our script.
Wait. Offset? Oh, that's probably because I didn't use a... Oh, no, it's here. Offset.
In our script, we'll get a reference to our animated sprite 2D. This creates a variable called
Add on ready, where... And we wanted sprite 2D colon equals, oh, sprite underscore 2D equals, then it would be $sign sprite 2D. Boom. I did it.
animated sprite 2D. I'm just going to get rid of the 2D here to make the name a bit shorter. And then whenever we are colliding on the right here and we change direction to move towards the left, we will also go to our animated sprite and set the flip H property to true. And when we are colliding on the left and we're changing direction again with the
Sprite dot flip H equals true. Then here
then we'll go to our animated sprite and set flip H back to false.
okay, so sprite dot flip H equals false. Control S.
And that's it. That's our entire script. Let's find our enemy here, and hooray, we've made an enemy, and a slimy one at that.
Okay, so let's go here. I need to add, okay, so if I go to 2D then, where the enemies are, I need to add walls, or else it won't work. Or, wait, let me see if I can do this. Let's go to scripts, and the player character right here. And let's copy this, and let's give it to the enemy. So that, wait, so player character, that's in the, that's a different thing. Okay, so let's go here, Control S. Wait, what? Do I have to classify is on 4 or something? Wait, how do I get this then? Okay, so it's preset here. Huh. Oh, maybe I need the move and slide thing. Or that just adds more problems, huh? Okay. Let's see. Is it the get gravity? Score not found in base self. What do I do then? Huh? Okay. Wait, what? Why is it? What's the problem with this one then? Here. The indent block. What? This is literally okay. If on if on underscore floor or is dot on. Okay, how do we? Okay, wait. Okay. Physics process on delta float. If not, is on floor. What? Okay, what if I do this? Grab all this. You know? Control X. And then we add a new one, right? But here. Okay, wait, let's cancel. Here, okay. Then we add a player. Right. I don't know. Sprite. And sprite. Player. It was, oh wait, maybe it's body. Where's the player body? I'll just search through the 2D stuff. Character body, it was character body, not player body. Create. And we collect all this, put that in here. Here, right? Then we add a script, character body. Germs underscore enemy dot gd. Create, okay? We create the character body, right? Then here, after this, we don't want the input stuff. So we can delete that. And then use this here, right? Okay, let's see. Here. Okay, so we don't want this one. Okay, so we can just... Okay, so let's take this one. And make this one 60. And we don't need a jump velocity because it can't jump. Okay. Then here... Don't want that. Okay, Control S. Okay, now it should work. Come on. I can move here. Where's the enemies? Don't tell me. Wait. Let's go here. Come on. They already... What's going on? Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, but you know what I'm gonna do? Camera. Let's set this at 1. Play. So I can see everything that's happening. What? Wait, I didn't see it. Wait, what? Did they just, like, disappear? No, they fell off the map. Okay, that's why. Well, okay, so let's set this back at 5. Now I want to go, so go to this. Let's go to the script. Okay, so the raycast is seeing if there's anything under it. Okay, so what I can do is this. Huh. Okay, there's gonna be an ad in a minute, so if you don't want ads, you can subscribe, but also no one's watching, so there's no point in me saying this. Ah. Okay. Back to what I was saying. Let's see. It literally has a shape. What's it talking about? Okay. Let's add a raycast here. No, here. Right? Yeah. Let's add a raycast. Raycast 2D. And I want this to be raycast down. Then we can just grab this and then wait. So grab this and then control, we'll drop that in. There we go. Now, if not, raycast down dot is colliding colon direction equals -1. Huh, okay. Oh wait, can I do minus direction? Okay, like that. So it just switches directions. Right? So let's see if that works. So I go here. Come on. Come on! Do I need a collide? Okay, let's see. We'll just place it like that. Now let me just increase the camera again. 1 so I can see everything. Wait, are they working? Seriously? Stop. Why are you doing that? Now you're stuck. This. Okay, I see what happened. Wait, will it ever be perfectly timed to wear that? Okay. Let's see. Ah. I know how this works, it's just confusing me. Okay, let's see. Ugh. So maybe I have to take the raycast. Okay. Okay, first I'm gonna shrink so it looks like it's bouncing off like very, very far away from it. So I'm gonna go to this guy. And let's get, oh, the raycast down is giant, that's probably why. Let's do that right there. Wait, okay. Let me get the raycast down, put that above everything else. Here. And then at a slight. So if I take this and then put it at a slight angle, it should stop it before it enters, like hits anything, right? And then I can shrink these so they're like that. Control S. Go here. Hopefully the enemy's updated. Let's check this out. Come on. Seriously. Okay. Script. Okay, that's on that side. Okay, I see what happened. Raycast down. And this is down left. And we want to duplicate it. Raycast down. Oh, okay, see you later. If you're gonna stream, have a good stream. Yep, bye. Okay, raycast down right. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay, raycast down right. I want to move this to this side. And move this here. Okay. Let's move that slightly. Like that. Okay. Okay, I got that working. Now I have to go into script and change that because this no longer exists. Okay, let's go here. And let's go. Wait, okay, then this. Okay, wait. Control. Control. Raycast down. Underscore left. Okay. Down. Right. Control S. Play. Come on. Please. Okay. What's wrong with that guy? Did I place him wrong? Wait, let me check what happened. Let's. Oh, he's just glitching out. Let's check this out. What's going on here? That guy was placed there. This guy was placed. Oh, okay, I see. Place him on some ground. You know? Let's check out this guy. Is this guy also like that? He's slightly off. Let's place him like that. Place him slightly inward. You know? Control S. Play. Okay. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Okay, that's working. Now. Camera. 4.5. Edit. Control save. Okay. Let's see. Shoot. What's wrong with this? Okay. That was a weird glitch. Like, I can just land on this. Okay, I see what's happening. I think. Collision shape. Character body spread 50. Collision shape. Breakers. Collision shape. This collision should be disabled. Right? That means it should be able to hit that, but it fell through the floor. Great. Okay, so that can't be that. One-way collision, where the one-way collision, right, is. How do I rotate this? How do I rotate this? How do I? How in the world do I? One-way collision. Oh, maybe it's the rotate button. Genius. Level intellect. There we go. I can just make this flat. stretched. That. And play. Okay. And okay, there's a bit of a delay there. No, I have to go into the... Is there a kill zone on this? Did I add a kill zone? Or is the kill zone over here? I forgot. No, it doesn't look like I added a kill zone. Okay, let me link. Kill zone open. Oh no, the area 2D, that's the kill zone. Okay, let's delete that. Here. And I think I want the kill zone here. Let's... I don't think... yeah, like, 0.2, I think that's fine. Okay, let's see. That means insta-death, right? Insta-death, basically. The FPS, though, like... Wait a second. Oh, that's not good. Let me plug in my laptop so it doesn't die, you know. Let's plug that in. There we go. Okay, so I think I see a little... Look. Is there any jumping, like those bugs anywhere else? Wait, is it just weird? Did like the glitchy bug go away? Kind of looks like it went away. Boom. Okay, dead. Huh. Wait, what's wrong here? Let me close this. This debugger has 2 errors. Okay, underscore body. Does that get rid of it? Where? Here? Seriously? Oh, you know, I'm just getting rid of that. It runs the game just fine without it. It's fine. That's fine. Okay. And Control S. There we go. It's fine. It runs just fine. Bodies never used. Seriously. Okay. 6. That's fine. Now let's go back to the video and see.
That. But of course, dying to the enemy could definitely look cooler. So let's fix that. Dying 2.0. Let's start by adding a slow motion effect when we die. We can do this by changing the time scale of the entire game. So inside of our kill zone, we'll open up the script here, and right after we print you died, let's modify our time scale. So I'll go engine.timescale and set it equal to 0.5.
I don't even know if we need that, but okay. Kill zone, you died. Engine dot time scale equals 0.5. Engine dot it's time underscore scale equals 0.5.
Right. This means that we will go at half speed. Then when our timer runs out, let's set this back to default, because otherwise we will actually still be slowed down when our scene reloads. So we'll go engine, dot time scale, and set it back to the default.
Engine dot time scale equals 1.0.
1. And if we play this now, this is actually already much better. Notice that it also takes twice as long before the game restarts.
Okay.
Because everything in our game slows down, including our timer. But I think it could be even cooler if we remove the player's collider to make him simply fall off the map. To do this, we need a reference to the player. We actually already have this here. You'll notice that after the onBody entered here, there's a variable called body. This refers to the body that entered the area. And since the only thing that enters the
Okay, on body entered, body no. Oh, he doesn't have that. Okay. Okay, let's take this. Why is caps lock on? I don't want caps lock on. There.
the kill zone is our player, body is our player. So we can actually add a new line here that goes to our body, and then we simply need to get the collision shape node under our player. So we'll do dot get node, and we'll search for the collision
Body dot get underscore node, and then collision shape 2D
shape 2D, and we can remove it. So we'll call dot view free
dot q free
on that node.
Okay, there we go.
Again, Q free means to remove that node. So here we're accessing our player, getting the collision shape node, and removing it. And now if we find our way to some danger, boom, we are hit and we fall off the map. Cue the sound effect. Wah! Player 2.0. So far, we've been using the character movement template pretty much as is, but we need to modify it in order to add animation to our player, as well as change the key bindings that we use to move. So what are
Okay. So I'm gonna save this part of the video for later, and I'm gonna switch over to doing some art for the game, sprites, you know? Why is my mouth not moving when I'm talking? Okay, there we go. Okay. So, let's close out, or let's take that. Okay. And now let's open this guy. And I'm just gonna set my I'm gonna do what I normally do with the chat, you know, put it on my laptop instead of my computer, because the computer chat was very, very weird. Let's get this guy open. Where is it? Hello? Are you alive? Huh? What's going on? Why can't I capture that window? Specific window. Huh? What? Okay, let me try the critter one. Huh? Full screen. That. Go new maybe then? Okay, let's. Oh my god, why can't you just load? Remove. Add. Add a game capture. Okay. Specific. Labor sprite. Okay. Open. Open sesame. Open the sesames. What? What's going on? Opening of the sesames. Is it just not working? Okay. Remove window capture. That's really long. Why is it really long? Let's check. Okay, there we go. Don't know why it's doing this. Just trying to screw up the stream like everything else has been. You know? Oh, someone sent a message. Let me. Oh, hello, hello. Did your game end? Did the session end or the 3-shot end? I'm just going crazy right now. No? Why are you here then? Dude, pay attention. Like, huh? I'm gonna be live for another 30 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna get off. You teleported away? Dang. I'm gonna start making sprites for my game. I just stopped coding because it was my head hurts because of coding. I don't like it. So Sprite cranberry. Yeah, I'm gonna make some Sprite cranberries. I know that I understood the reference. Yep. Technically you're not first, but the guy who was left, so. Yep. Let's go into this. So I'll make Soap Dude first. Let me grab my tablet here. My pen. Okay. You actually could, or should do what? Add Sprite Cranberry to the game? It wouldn't fit the theme though, if I did. I'm gonna start with the soap guy because I need that. And it's a game jam, so I want to finish it by the time that it's, I have to submit it. So I need to get the coding, because look, I did the coding. I mean, there is a bubble attack, but I have to figure out how to add attacks. All I've done is add not motion, movement. I've added the map. I've added the I haven't even actually made any sprites. I've only used I don't know if I've shown this before, but if you remember, I made a sprite for I was making a tile map sprite last week. This guy's Soap. And then he's gonna have like 2 legs. They go like this. They're very wonky legs. Oh, someone sent me a message. Let me check what that is. What's this? Okay, let me go back here. Irish spring skin? What does that mean? I don't get that. I don't understand what you meant by that. Okay, there, and let me just fill this in. Or actually, let me make it a slightly different color. There we go. Oh, it's a soap brand? Cool, cool. Why is it on switch to pencil? There we go. Hello? What is wrong with you? Please use the right color. That's not what I was about to use. There. Here. The only soap brand I know is Old Spice. Just kidding, I know there's a bunch of other ones, but that's the one I use. I didn't mean to get rid of that one. Okay, there we go. We got soap. And this is the body layer. Let's rename this as body. Okay. And then we got let's add that. Okay, there we go. Summon flying spike. Also axe. Oh yeah, there is also that. Summon. Okay, I'll note that down actually. Let me note that down so I can add a spike trap to the game. Or not a spike trap, like a spike. Like a falling enemy, like I said I would. Oh. Okay, so let me summon watermelon. What would watermelon do? Let's think. I mean, I can make a watermelon themed enemy. So like, we want green. Let's make it a darker green, you know. And it's bacteria, so I'm gonna make it like that. So let's create a circle. Let's make a circle here. It's gonna be like that. Let's turn that off. And then just fill that in. Oh no, actually wait, I was watermelon, right? So I'll just fill in like partially like this. Like that. Okay. Did I do that right? Is this part right? Okay, there. That seems right. This part needs a little bit there though. There we go. Okay. Then we get the fill tool and then let's what does he do? I have no idea. Okay, let's see. Let's grab this guy. Make it a brighter red. Like let me go off there. Okay, there. Fill that in. That's a bit too bright. Let me desaturate. Like here. There. That's a good color. Okay, there we go. And turn this off. And now let's go a darker red, but not fully for the eyes. Oh wait. Let me turn on mirror mode. Yes, you're coming back? Are you leaving? Okay. If you're leaving, see ya. If you're coming back, hello. We had like a white here, you know? Kind of looks terrified. He looks scary. Not scary, scared. And then let's add that the dark brown black color here, and then let's just add random seeds, you know, like turn off the mirror mode, right? So let's just add random seeds, you know. Let's pop, 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 up there. That's good. Oh no, I think there needs to be one here. There we go. That looks about even. Okay, now let's add the green, back green here, and then let's go. It's bacteria. Let's add those. So let's add the legs first. Oh, I know what to. Okay, so let's grab a darker green and let's add this one. And then it should be like slightly like this, you know? Because watermelons have stripes on them, you know? Like that. And there, okay, there. Now we have to add the, oh, this goes down here. And let's just like stop it here. And this down here. Okay, wait, I can do this. Let me grab this guy. Here. Then if I make, so it somewhat comes down here, right? But then the rest is like down here, you know? I don't know if I'm gonna use this for this game, but I'm gonna use it for a game because I like the sprite. Oh, maybe what if his arms are like peeled? I don't know. What if his arms are just like an off color, you know? Then we can use this to get a darker one. And you know what he's missing? This. That doesn't seem. Wait, I think I had it right the first time. Yeah. No. Wait. Let's see. I think it needs to be slightly taller. And then we'll have like an emblem or like a darker here. Like that. No, it shouldn't connect. There we go. We got our watermelon sprite. Who's sending me messages? Okay. I just realized I made a layer called the body layer. Oh no, that's for the other one. This guy's just this dude. Okay, let's add this. Watermelon. Not watermelon. Okay. So save that. Now I'm gonna go back to making the soap sprite. So I'm gonna take this slightly darker and make it slightly darker like that, and then we can add the eyes, you know. Wait, let's see. Let me. Okay, and okay, let's add like a smile. You know, it's gonna be like a paler one, but you know, it's still gonna be a smile. You know, and I think like part of it should be slightly darker. You know, no, that's like there. Yeah, that looks good. You know, that looks good. That looks good. You know, let's yeah, there. I imagine there's just this, or not that, this. Imagine you see this guy walking up to you. That you know, I'm not. Let's go back here. Did I save this? Yep. Let's grab this one. Save this one. Save. There we go. And let's do this. No, thank you. Oh wait, no, I can't do that with this. Okay, let's. I've seen people do this, and sometimes it looks good, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm just gonna see how it looks with this guy. Wait, let me add the feet first. Now let's do a new layer. And this one's the feet. Yeah, I think the feet should go under the body. Right. Cancel. How do I moved this before? Oh, there we go. Okay. Up, 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 up. Nope, that's okay. Wait, let's go here. Three. Let's close here. Up, up, up. Wait, how's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. There we go. Body. Let's finish tracing this guy. Let's get rid of that first. Now let's just fill in these. Okay, let's pull this. There we go. Now let's put these guys up here and let's grab the darkest shade. Oh, what? No, that's not what I wanted. How to switch? No, I don't want this shade though. Right click. Edit. No, I don't want it. How do I delete it? Oh, there we go. Now I got what I want. And now we need the hands, which will probably be in between. Yeah, okay. Then we'll call this. I'll just say arm. Arms. Okay. And let's grab this guy. And let's see. Ah, ah. That looks like a plant. Let's just write. I'm just gonna write. With like a dark one. Here. No, wait. There. Oh, wait, that's what. Okay, it's a mirror. I don't want it to mirror. Okay, let's go. S. And let's pop, pop, pop. And then let's like. There we go. And let me go here. What color was that? This one? No, I think it was. I think it was this. No, that's not. That's not it either. What is it? This one? Yeah, it's this one. Okay, there we go. Ah. Okay. We got this guy. Don't want to grab the feet. Let's rotate it. Whatever. Grab this. Go here and then here. Oh, that's good. Let's copy. I'm gonna copy this. What in the world? Let me create a new frame. What? Oh, is it because I'm selecting this? Is that why? No. Wait, what? New. And then let's here. What? No. Okay. Now let's control X, control V. Then I don't want to rotate it though. I want to mirror it. Edit, flip horizontal. There we go. That looks so cursed. Wait, maybe it's just this part here. And let me just fill this in, you know? Let's grab this guy and pop that in. You know, fill that in. This should look good now, right? No, now the legs. Okay. I'm gonna say here, both on the floor. Body should rotate. No, not rotate. Let's say move. And then here, body should move. Okay. Let's select this guy and pop, pop. And that's good. Let's go. That looks so cursed. Perfect. Yep, that's perfect. Now we want to move this guy also one layer. No, no, not this one. Just move this guy one layer. Not one layer. What am I saying? This guy. Ah. No, look. Or should it be the other way, you know? Like, the merge down. I can do that. Okay, that's fine. But what am I saying? Okay, let's see. Here and here, you know? The body stays the same, right? When he picks up his foot, should go this way, right? Maybe? This guy, no. Should go left, and this guy goes right, you know? By 2. New empty frame, paste this guy. Then let's just grab. Oh no, no. There we go. That should look good now. Okay. So now let's grab this guy. I have created Dwayne the Soap Johnson. That's funny. Ha ha ha. I'm laughing about the joke. And let's save this as soap. As in this one. Okay, and let's just save as a GIF. Oh no, let's save it as a PNG. Or a PDF? Which one should it be? I forgot. I'm gonna save it as a GIF first, you know? Okay, save. Yes. Okay. And I'm gonna send that in the Discord server. So let me open that. Here. Let's send it. And where is it here? Is it here? Open. Wait a second. Does the legs move like weirdly? Okay, wait. Let me check this out. Let's next frame. Up, okay. I see the issue. Complete. Okay. Okay, so I think I can fix this. If I just select this and then shift it over a little bit for the lower leg, right? Now let's see. Now the upper leg needs to be shifted one more, it seems. Let's play. Okay, so this is the walking animation. Let's add a new one. Let's add the idle animation, which is going to be way more cursed, you know? So let's scrap this. You know, let's just slightly, you know, stretch it. New empty V. I'll just fix that later. Okay, then let's go stretch, you know, new. Let's squish. And let's then just like add the feet, you know. So let's copy, paste, paste, paste. And then let's cancel. Okay, wait. No, I just want to see these two. Okay, wait, let's see. From 5 to 6. Wait. Okay, so let's do new tag, and let's do, this is idle, from 1 to 4. Okay. Now we got, now we have, okay, so let me just copy this then. Control C, and then after 4, let's add a new. And then let's see, idle is 1 through 4. Okay. 5 is gonna be this. And then now I can add a new tag. New tag. And then have this from 5 to 7. And not tag, I want it to be called run. Okay, let's play. That's okay, now I wanna go here. Okay, regular up. So I feel like legs should also be up, which makes no difference. But here, it's back. So that doesn't make a difference. Here down, you know, let's wait a second. So up, let's make this guy slightly. That's the feet. And then here, I can move this guy slightly up, and then we can grab the feet, and then make this slightly longer. And then let's, oh wait, why did I do that? Okay, there we go. Let's grab this guy. Let's shrink him even more, you know, and then just make it wider. For the funnies. Now let's play this. Woo. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you to the 2 people that were here. I don't know if you're still here, but if you are, thank you. I'm gonna be raiding out. Let's see who we should raid. No, we didn't have that great of a stream. So yep. That is all for the stream. Everyone have a good day. See ya. Raiding out in 3. Okay, wait, what? Let's raid out. Raid now.